it's good. I'm doing
I think I'm going to be wearing.
Okay, break. Hang on. Team .1.130.11. Thank you, brother. Awesome. No, thank you, no. Thank you, break. Cheers.
Thank you, bro. Thank you, Cuzzy. I'm pumped up you were here.
I was thinking I was coming to fix that job over there.
Check 1 2 1 2 test. How's that? Clear? I can't hear you. How's that? Test all echoey or check 1 2 1 2 testing. I must be going through the radio if we're going through the recorded web. Aloha mai whānau, just doing some testing, trying to get our broadcast sorted. Kaza, if you're listening, got an echo going on here. I can't figure out why. Hang on. It's definitely an echo. Turn the zeta down? No, if I turn zeta down, I turn us down. check. Is that better? Still coming out? Check. Test. That's the sound turned off. But, aroha mai whānau. Check, 1 2, testing, 1 2. I'm not sure where that echo is coming from there. Am I clear as? Check, 1 2, test, 1 2. Clear to there? Check, 1 2. You still here? That off. Check. Test. There we go. Aroha mai whānau, we've been having some difficulties here. We're getting sorted. Our radio broadcast is playing up. We can't figure it out. We've been ticking in the background, so hopefully it's coming. Ko whangapara o te awa, ko te whānau a kaua mai ki te papatākoro o Whutupōro ki te mana Māori, a kura mana Māori o te rā nua Ruatoria, CITY. Nei rā te mihi ki ngā kaitautoko mō tēnei whakapāho kia koutou a rā te kamupene o Troy Wheeler Contracting, te Runanganui o Ngati Porou, me McKay Cartage hoki. Just bear with us whānau, we are just getting ourselves sorted after our rush to get things to try and fix the tech issues we were having. So aroha mai, as we work through the kinks here, we better make sure our replay settings are, but a minute silence going on here. And of course you had the late VJ Takarangi pass away, and of course Heather Mill last week. We send our aroha and our thoughts out to the whānau. Replay settings, we just yes, everything seems to be go. Aroha mai whānau, as I said, we've had a few issues this morning. Do turn up quite well in advance. Now hopefully our stream is working and not dropping out. Again, it's hopefully we're not lagging whānau, because we have had issues before previously with some of our streams. And I can see we're lagging already. I've dropped quality. Hopefully things are working. It might have been just the live stream. Hopefully we're sorted. Let's get back. I don't know if we're live. Did we drop out? Oh, there we go. Hopefully we're all sorted. About to get underway here. I'm going to get ready with the time. Time is on. We're halfway here. It's taken forward by TVC. They spin it out the back. We may be having issues with our live stream whānau. Seem to be dropping in and out already. On the halfway again, they spin it across to the far side of the field here. Waititi breaks through, good break here, down the side over the 10 metre line. Mangu comes in there with a good tackle, gets the pass away to Murta Biddle. That's Nico Teddy at first five. It's spilled. They go wide again. Numbers here for TVC if they can get it away. Teddy, I think that's Sorensen down the sideline. TVC heading for the corner. Might be the first points here. It is. We'll see what the replay says. Aroha mai to our Facebook viewers. We are experiencing some difficulties here. Make sure we're recording. We'll be able to chuck it up later on our Facebook, on our YouTube page. Full clean copy. But first points here to TVC as they worked a beautiful move down that far sideline. They'll take the lead 5-0 with the kick to come. And you'll have to forgive me, whānau, because we are having a few difficulties, but I think we've worked out the radio stream. It sounds like it's coming through clear. TVC take the lead 5-0. Kick to come. Unsuccessful. Score remains 5-0. Early start there to TVC. Of course, looking to create history today. Their men won the men's final the other week. It'll be the first time, I think, the club will have a shot. They're taking both titles. Both the men's and the women's. So A little bit on the line here. The reigning champs, of course, TVC. The Wahine. And the men are now the reigning champs. High kick here from Goldsmith. It's taken here by Te Moana. Takes it just inside her 22. Quick ball. Spun wide there from the halfback who was Shelford. They work it right out to the wing, up over the 10-metre line. Stop just before the halfway. They pick and go again. Oh no, that's a winger. Who's the other winger? That's Sorensen. Unless they have it again, I think. So hopefully, looks like our live stream is lagging a little bit. Apologies, we're going to not be able to do much about that. We have internet issues out here as Goldsmith puts the chip through. Kopa at the back here, that's City there. What's the call? Tip tackle. Tip tackle there against City. They work it forward. Let's have a look at our Facebook feed again. Make sure we're coming through. I know we are lagging, whānau. Apologies. So line out here inside City territory, TVC ball. They go high, it's contested, it's come down on the TVC side as Waititi gets the pass away. They work it through the back line to Teddy, throws a dummy. Teddy up the middle in a bit of space over the pass out to Kopa. Kopa taken in a beautiful tackle there by Mangu. Tries to get to her feet. Referee's got a penalty here, advantage against TVC. So against City, penalty here to TVC. They look to go quickly through Waititi. Quick tap. Ref says not 10. He's going to march City. City on their goal line. It's got echo going on in the background here. I'll turn our Facebook off. Apologies, whānau. We are having issues here. Internet issues. I think our Facebook is lagging every now and then. Line out, scrum called by TVC, an attacking scrum 5 metres out from the line. And it looks like there's been an injury to one of the City players. I think that's the winger, Kaylis Boyce. She was injured earlier in the season, and I think it's the same shoulder. Unfortunate there. City will have to make a early substitution. So we're just waiting for the player to come onto the field. Okay, so the radio apparently is not good. I don't know. Maybe it's sorted itself out now. We'll wait for the scrum to set here. That's Shelford to feed from City there. It's at the back. He gets the pass out. Teddy was the first. Took it up. Set it up. Quick ball. Watch how quick it comes out here. The halfback gets it away to Kopa. Kopa across the field looking for a winger, and the winger in space. Nobody on it. Takes the score out to 10-0. Oh, we're going the wrong way. Not the points. 10, not 0. There we go. Unsuccessful conversion attempt. Score remains 10-0. I'm just trying to put a hood on now. Get our mic out of the wind. I can hear it in my ear. That's not doing much, is it? Oh, we City make that long walk back to halfway to get us underway again. Goldsmith with the kicking duties. She sends it high across the far side of the field. It's Kupa underneath it. She gets the pass away to Waititi. They spin it wide. Out now to Kupa through the hands. Out. It's kept infield though. Skillfully there by, I think that's Sorensen on this side, number 11. Who's the right winger? Right winger is Sarah Waititi. Whaiora Kupa at the back. Dana Kupa on the right wing. So that's Dana Kupa out wide. Sorry, they scored the 2 tries. Manaia Sorensen on this right wing, but we're in the left wing. Scrum down here on the TVC 10-metre line. Justin from touch. It's a City ball. Just waiting for the ball to go in here. There's not much I can do about this wind, whānau. I'm going to try and duck around the side of the truck if I can. That's not going to help much, is it? Ball in. It's at the back here for Mangu. City. Walk the scrum forward. Out now to Goldsmith. Goldsmith looking for runners. They go wrap. Out now. Oh, it's gone through the hands. It's picked up. Lost forward by Kupa. The referee will say it's lost forward by City first. It will be a TVC scrum feed. Right out in the middle of the penalty here. Back chat. They tap and go. This TVC. Up the middle they go through their centre, who is, well, it says Kupa, but she's out on the wing. They come back infield. Good tackle there. It's been lost forward by TVC. Play on, says the referee, as City look to set it up. There's a penalty to City, not rolling away against the tackle player. Goldsmith looks to go quickly. Jingos, I can tell that wind is hitting my mic. I'm trying to use the notebook with the players' names on it that I don't know to cover the mic. So that penalty is a kick forward. Takes play 6 metres inside TVC territory. TVC leading 10-0. If you've just joined us on Te Reo Hirirangi or Ngati Porou, they go high to Reedy off the line out. Down to Mangu, out to Goldsmith. Goldsmith to McMenamin. Taking in a good tackle, 5 metres inside TVC territory. TVC look offside. Play on, says the referee. It's been turned over here by Waititi. It pops out the back for TVC. They go Timoana into City territory. It's there again for the halfback, Shelford. Offside, says the referee. Advantage. Good run here. I think that's Waititi. Midway 10 metre 22 inside. Offside at the ruck. Scrum called by TVC. And apologies because we are lagging, whānau. You can see it on my Facebook. There's not much we can do about it. Hopefully it's not too bad a viewing experience for our whānau out there in Facebook land. We will hopefully be able to throw a clean copy of this game up as the scrum comes out quickly out to gets the pass away to Waititi. Out now to Kupa. Kupa looking to go around the sideline. Takes it out in the corner. It'll be a City line-out throw, defensive line-out throw. Whaiora Kupa there looking to pin her ears for the corner. Aroha mai to our Facebook viewers. I know you're getting a bad lagging going on, but trust me, we have tried to do our best with the internet here. Hopefully the radio's not too bad, because we're simulcasting on the radio as well as our Facebook. Oh, it's sorry, I missed that. It's gone out. It is a TVC line-out throw. They go high at the front, comes down to Shelford. Shelford throws the pass out to Teddy. Teddy spins it wide to Grant. Grant out to Waititi. Out to Cooper. Cooper, that pass has gone forward. They'll come back for the forward pass. The idea was there. Although I don't think she needed to throw that longer pass. She had Murta Biddle outside her. They had a two-man overlap there. City will get a defensive scrum feed here. They are about 15 metres out from their line. 10-0 if you've just joined us on Te Reo Irirangi o Ngati Porou. Scrum down roughly midfield. Bit closer to the school side of the field than the middle. Atamangu to feed the scrum. Ball in. It's popped out the back for McMenamin. She takes it off the base of the ruck, gets it away to Mangu. Mangu, over the 22, gets the pass away to Goldsmith. Goldsmith steps, gets held in the tackle of Waititi. Looking to get the ball away here. Try a sock on the mic, see if that stops the... Wow, that stops the wind, wow. And we come out now to, I think that's Tarona. Waititi over the top of the ball, though. Didn't have her hands on the ball, says the referee. They go back to the forwards again. I think that's Mataida Gerard taking it forward for City. Referee's got a little knock on in there against TVC, I think. There's a scrum in the middle of the park here. I'm just looking to see who gets the put in. City ball, I think. It is a City scrum feed. The TVC in the act of trying to steal the ball have lost it forward. We'll have to remember this hack. The old sock. It's a proper sock. I don't know where it's come from. Hopefully it's not off someone's foot. Ball in. It's at the back here for Mangu. Gives it out now to Goldsmith. Goldsmith puts a little chip in. It's been charged down here. There's no one at the back for TVC. Oh, referee's got them offside. They've been riding that offside line all day. They got caught. Penalty here on the City 10-metre line. This will allow City, they're going to look for touch here. I'll make sure we're out of the firing zone. It's not going to find touch though. Waititi underneath this, just outside her 10-metre line. She goes for a run, throws the pass infield. It bounces on the ground, bounces kindly for Copper. Copper up towards her 22, still going over, the 10-metre line, up towards the halfway. Gets taken 6 metres inside City territory. Ushered towards the sideline. It'll be a City line-out throw. And this poor winger, she's the line-out jumper. Must be because she's the smallest. She has to run right across the other side of the field to be lifted. They go quickly to McMenamin. McMenamin charging up towards the 10-metre line. City pile over the top here, but a little bit too late. I think that's Teddy over the top with the rights to the ball. They get a penalty. They tap and go. Teddy goes quickly. Throw the pass back. Not 10, says the referee. City get marched 10 metres. Not back 10. Grant with the ball. They're going to run it here. They tap. They give it up to Shelford, I think. Shelford takes it into contact. Big contact too. It's there for TVC. They spin it out to Grant. Grant comes back to this near side. It's bounced though. City come up with it. I thought there would have been advantage there, but the forward pass was pulled up. It'll be a City scrum feed. They're about 15 metres their own side of the halfway. Oh, actually, they're probably about 14, 13. I was looking where the ball was, not where the scrum is to be set. So a little bit of a, what's that? Bit of a easterly, southeasterly here. It's favouring TVC. It's coming from the Hicks Bay direction across the field. Well, actually from Lawton Point more. Wait for the scrum to set here. Hopefully our internet is not causing too much issues for everybody. Referee Matt Richards calls the scrum in. He's got Joel Coleman and Jason Babington on the sidelines with him. Goes out now. They spin it through the back line. City backdoor here. They spin it wide. Out to their fullback, out to Mangu. No, that's not Mangu. I think that's Tarona. Over the up over the 10-metre line towards the halfway. Atamangu looking for the ball. TVC offside out wide here. Side there. Referee is playing on. And out to Mangu. Mangu. It's there again for his sister, Ata, the halfway, goes to ground now. They drive over the top. Ata Mangu looking for the ball again, goes back infield to his sister, Harmony. She's been involved a couple of times in this one. Looking to try and recycle it here. It's been turned over, but players not rolling out of there. TVC players. City will get a penalty, 9 metres inside TVC territory. They're going to tap and go, I think. Atamangu with the ball, scrum called. Actually, that wind is starting to swing a bit more to the north. Well, sorry, the east, I should say, northeast. It's coming nearly down the park behind the TVC players. We wait for the scrum to set in the middle of the park here. City ball. Atamangu to feed the scrum. There is a bit of a blind here. It's at the back here for McMenamin. She comes blind, gives it to Atamangu. Atamangu throws the pass out to a winger, but it's going to roll over the sideline. It's gone forward, I think, is the call. It'll be a TVC scrum feed. Way between the 10 metre and 22 inside TVC territory. They are right in one of the muddiest parts of the field. Zelta Shelford feeds the scrum. Is it Zella or Zelta? They spin it out now to Alize Grant. She goes on a run, throws a long pass out to Cooper. Cooper takes the ball beautifully, sets it, takes it to ground. Beaten the players, might have gone forward. No, pass has gone straight out over the sideline. It'll be a City line out throw. Midway. Metre line. You see that little halfback, winger Sorensen. Poor thing's got to run right across to the other side. They go to Reedy at the front, not straight, says the referee. Here to TVC. Opportunity to run it here. Going to give it to Shelford again. Shelford bringing it forward, straight into a good tackle there by McMenamin. They go again to... Oh, referee's got a penalty. Offside player in an offside position. TVC. City defence getting up there and putting a bit of pressure on. It caused the turnover. 10-0 if you've just... Scrum down in the middle of the park here. It's inside TVC's territory. Referee just waiting for him to set the scrum here. Apologies to our Facebook viewers. We can see that we are lagging a bit. Hopefully not causing too much issue for you. Ball in from Mangu. It's at the back. They go. Gets around players. Gets the pass away. Bounces kindly for the winger on that far side. Into the 22 they go. They get the pass back to Mangu. Out from the corner flag here. City trying to hit back. It's there again. They bring it. It's been turned over here by Waititi. Gets in there for the intercept. Out of it, 22 comes here from City, but it's spun wide out to Shelford. Shelford going for a run, brings it up. They can spin it out now to Copper. Copper to Berta Biddle. She does well to juggle that and hang on to it. Up towards the 10-metre line. They need a halfback. They go quickly again out to Teddy. Teddy across to, I think that's one of the forwards there. Might have been Matchett. TVC still with the pill here. Inside their 10-metre. Comes to this near side again to, I think that's Matchett. Counter ruck here from City. Out to Cooper again. Cooper goes back to the far side to bounces away from her, been knocked on. City play it forward. Advantage for knock on. They go quickly out to Mangu. Oh, sorry, that's Goldsmith. Out to the winger. I think that's who's the might be no, it was Boyce. Boyce is gone. Might be. Got to know the numbers are all over the place for City. TVC's, well, roughly midway. TVC's 10-metre line in their 22. They're going to go for touch here, I think. Goldsmith looks like she's lining up a kick towards the school side of the field. She does. Pushes play up to the 22. Line out on the 22. City, an attacking opportunity. Let's have a look at the clock. We've had 27 minutes gone. Comes down. TVC is, on the City side. As City get there more rocking forward. Looking for the ball now. Mangu's in there. Counter ruck from TVC. Mangu comes out with the ball, gives it up to Goldsmith. Goldsmith going for a run, throws the dummy. Oh, it goes behind her, sorry. Gets it back here to Wainohu. Out now to, I'm not sure who that number 19 is. It might be Mato. It's City still with the ball. They get the pass away to Mangu. They just stopped 5 out from the line here. Penalty to TVC though. Got a little bit isolated. Penalty here to TVC. They're about, what's that, 7 out from their line. They're going to tap and go here. Grant with the ball, looking for runners. Takes it herself, throws it wide to, they spin it again. They can work it. They get the pass away to Copper. Copper down the sideline, in a bit of space. Oh, she gets around McMenamin, coming back infield. Chaser's coming at her. She'll go all the way. I think that's Dana Copper. That was a 70 metre try anyway from deep in there, 22. 6 out from the line, I think I said it was. It got out to the winger, and it was just come and catch me if you... And they couldn't. What a run all that way. That'll take the lead out to 15. 15-0 with the kick to come. She leaves this one in a better position, closer to the goal for the kicker. As they line this one up. They're about 15 in from touch. It's got the height and the accuracy. The flags go up. Successful conversion there pushes the score out to 17-0. TVC, after being under pressure for probably about 10 minutes from City, they break out again from deep in their 22. Great run there. Dana Copper. So about, what's the time here? We're at the 30-minute mark. It's to go till half time. Remember, these ladies only play 35-minute halves. It's probably about a... As City kick off into the wind again. They kick it out to Mato. Mato in a bit of space, stepping in the middle of the park. Standing on her feet. Referee's got offside all in front of the kicker. TVC, sorry. City walk up to the 22 for a penalty here. What's the call? They're going to tap and go. They're going to tap and go here. Looking for runners. Who wants the... Ricard gives it back to Mangu. Mangu going for a run. She's got Mato with her. I think that's Mato stepping back infield. Gets the pass back to Mangu. 7 out from the line here. There's an advantage here for City. Counter ruck from TVC. Penalty here. Look to go quickly. They do. In the corner. This points to City. Caught them sleeping. Let's have a look at the replay. You see here, you watch the ref's hand go out, playing advantage. Counter ruck came from TVC, but the ref said no advantage. Watch the 24 get up, look for the ball, tap the ball on the mark quickly. TVC couldn't even get it back into position. I don't even think it's coming. City get their first points. 17-5. I'm going to try and figure out who that was. Just looking at all the names here. I don't think... No, I'm not going to guess who that try scorer was. So we wait for Goldsmith to take the attempt at the extra points here. It's high, and it's beautiful kick there. Successful conversion from out wide. Beautiful kick there from Goldsmith. 17-7 as we work towards half time. City get a vital score in before half time. These City players' numbers are all over. Goes back to Wainohu from the kickoff. Wainohu steps out of one tackle. It gets it back to Goldsmith. Goldsmith goes for a little bit of a run, puts the dummy in, gets the it up a couple of meters out from the 10-meter line. They need a half Goldsmith gets in there. Gives it up now to Rickard. Rickard taking in a good tackle here. Hura gets back there to tidy that up. Atamangu with the ball now for City, driving towards the 10-metre line. It's Terona calling for the ball. McMenamin out wide. Gets the ball and a TVC player. By the 22 here. It's there for TVC. They turn it over quickly out to Grant. Grant to the number 4 there is Takuhira Mita. Takuhira Mita, I should say. 5 out from the line. Out to Grant, out to Kopa. They've got numbers here. They can just get it through the hands over the line. There's a try. Well worked from TVC. They'll get another 5-pointer before the halftime whistle. Take this. Turnover ball. They punish. Nice hands there. I think that number 10. It says Nico Teddy. But I don't think Nico's wearing number 10. And that could be half time here as I see TVC making their way towards their reserves. As we wait for this kick. It comes in, stays low and goes under the post. That's half time here, 22 points to 7. TVC with a big lead to take into half time. We'll take a quick break and we'll be back with your second half shortly. back underway here, whānau, aroha mai. Just trying to sort ourselves because we were doing a bit of ticking at half time. Up towards their 10 metre line though through Mataida Gerard. Gerard Mataida is turned over though. TVC look to go quickly. Forwards here. As they work it up towards. Straight off their feet. This will allow City to look for touch, will they? They do have the wind at their back. Blackby is on there for City. They've made a couple of change. I can see one. He's not going to find touch yet. No, he stays infield here for Sorensen. Up quickly is Mungu on her though. Goes back to Biddle. Last forward though. Hopefully it's. Are we back on? We're not on here. Hopefully we're just trying to work the radio here, whānau, so give us a little bit of leeway. Those of you on Facebook are lucky enough to be able to watch the footage. We've just got some ticking going on in the background here. I'm trying to sort out our radio for our listeners. They'll be listening to dead air at the moment. So scrum, as we wait for the scrum to set in the middle of the park here. I'm not sure. I should be able to hear myself if that's coming through on the chat channel, but it's not. But I won't be able to tell. Only Rex will be able to tell if we are back on air. I want to see if the Facebook is back. So we're going to check the volumes on that. No sound? No. Can hear me. Well, hopefully the old playbacks are working because Facebook will be out a commentator. Hopefully that's coming through now. Apologies, whānau. Just working on everything in the background here, trying to make sure that we're coming across every broadcast stream that we're doing. There we go. Facebook sounds okay. Now it's just the radio, so apologies if you were on the radio and you're now wondering what's going on. I might have to put the Zeta back on while we're doing this. Scrum, ball in. Now I can hear that echo again, so we're back on. Because you can hear me coming through my phone, you'll tell us if we're back on. It's TVC as they work it out of their 22. It might have been knock-on advantage. You know, it's a penalty advantage. Over the halfway. She's taken inside City territory. They come out to Waititi. Out now to White out there. They come quickly out wide to Whaiora Kopa. But 10, it says Nico Teddy, but that's not Nico. Up towards the City 22, they go through again from Shell. Out to the number 6, that says Franklin. It's there for the halfback again. Penalty. Off their feet, I think, is the call. Goldsmith wants to go quickly. Safely into a line out of this. It's still roughly midway between their 10 metre and 22. Had about 5 minutes gone in the second half. Referee says not straight though. They'll have it. It'll be a TVC scrum feed. And I can hear me coming from somewhere. Is that this? I can hear my. It's not this one. What about now? And there's an echo there gone. Scrum down. Shelford to feed the scrum. TVC, ball in. Big shunt there from City. Referee's got a penalty against City though. They tap and go to Shelford, out to Teddy. Teddy to Grant. Grant has a little run. Taken down just outside the 22. TVC still in possession here. They throw the dummy. Teddy does. Gets it back now to Shelford. TVC piling the pressure on here. They come. Jocelyn again. Sorry, Franklin. They come again out to the 24. That's White. White gets the pass away. Goes to ground now. TVC trying to recycle this. Comes back open to Teddy. Teddy to Shelford. Shelford having a run. Teddy playing halfback. They spin it wide. Comes out to the number 10. I don't have a name for. She cuts back infield. Going for the loss away. Advantage here. They've got numbers. Grant having a go. Oh, beautifully. Takes it out to 20. Could be it. That's a big hill to try and climb to come back now. TVC attacking down both sides of the field there. Put some music back on the radio. Now, if I... That's the radio back on. Oh, no, because those have been down all game. Unsuccessful conversion there. City is having a word with their players. They've had a great season. They want to finish well. There's still, if we look at the clock, it's about 25 minutes to go here. An opportunity is still there. Goldsmith brings the team back to halfway. They'll look to get it underway again. Probably want to go deep. She sends it high. Back to Grant just outside at 22. Gives it up to Morgan White. White coming up the middle of the park. Hitting a good tackle just shy of the 10-metre line. They go quickly again. Out to Franklin again. City in there. Goldsmith not waiting. Gives it out to Mangu. Mangu. Line there. They pick and go again through. That's Mere Mangu. 3 Mangus in this team. They pick and go again. Just short of the line here. City. Another try. There's the try. City. They'll take their score out to 12 with the kick. 27-12. Right from the kickoff. Penalty. They've managed to go all the way down to the corner. As we try and cover ourselves in our mic again, whānau. This can feel the old wind biting at the mic. There's a player down injured. I think that's, is it Murta Biddle? Let's look at the sorry, she's just done the biddle. Apologies. We'll stop the clock here. No, clock is not stopped. 27-12 as Goldsmith lines up a shot at goal here. She's about 10 metres in from touch. A couple of metres inside the 22. We'll have to push it out to the left a bit and use the wind. Strikes. It's going to stay too straight. The score remains 27-12. The Irirangi listeners, they would have been listening to a bit of the game and then sweet as, but that's at work. Not out here in the field. So TVC. Not sure if that's a tactic, slowing the walk back to halfway down. And got a big lead, 27-12. City do have the win though. And that's kick straight to the City player, Mataira Gerard. She sets it up just shy of her 10 metre. Sets it up again. It's there for Mangu going for a run. Just gets caught at the back of the ruck here. It's TVC come up with it through Biddle. They take it and set it up on the half. Gets the pass away to Waititi over the City 10 metre out to the number 10. I don't have a name for. It's gone backwards, says the referee. Gone over the substitution there. I think that's Tamipo coming on. Who's she replacing? Might be Rickard. Ball is back at. Sorry, it's going to be a scrum. There we trying. And it's a stoppage and play here. It's because one of the forwards is injured. So it's a substitution there. I think that's Matt who's going off. I'll try and replaces it. Attacking scrum here for TVC. It's been turned over here by City as they drive down the sideline through McMenamin. Guy the halfway, still inside City territory here. You can see that number 11 sprinting from this near field to get to the line out to be lifted. They should have just said if your line out's on yours. Oh, and she takes number 10. That's not Nico Teddy though. Teddy's in at halfback now. Comes out to Waititi. Waititi out to pass. Gets the pass away to Cooper again. Cooper up towards the 22. Still standing on her feet as the fullback for TVC. I thought you were just starting the thing again. Oh. They would have killed the restream, I think. Oh no, yes we did. Oh no, we might be still going out, hopefully. Oh, we'll soon see. Apologies here. No, there's no live on there. Oh yes, we're still going live. Oh, we may be right. Turn that off. Turn the sound off. Hopefully we didn't cut out whānau. We just thought we rebooted our computer and might have lost the stream. So hopefully not. As City come out of their 22, they booted downfield. It's been picked up here by Kopa back at the halfway. Kopa going for a run, gets back over the 10-metre line in City territory. Still going is Kopa. They spin it out to Sorensen. Sorensen has a little run around the outside, gets around the outside. There to meet her. It's there for TVC again. Out Shelford to Shelford. Out now to Grant. Grant to the number 6. That's Franklin. They come back infield to Temoana. They go back out wide. Whoa. They come back infield again. TVC still with the pill. Referee's got a penalty though against my whānau. We've been trying to fight to get the radio back on in the back. And as TVC have another go here. That's Waititi. Referee's got a penalty here for TVC. They look to go. 3 of them could be hurt. No, Sorensen's back to her feet. They go through Tim Henderson again. Penalty against City. It might have been a shoulder there. That was a harsh one. The player fell in the tackle. It goes out now to Franklin, out to Teddy. Teddy stepping, having a drive at the line. Did she get it down? Drum feed here. I'll just put it on auto.
Something stolen the broadcaster.
Oh, I don't know what it is. We'll just give that a quick. We're not broadcasting. To the oh, there was 2 of them open.
2 what?
Sonic buses.
That's the only one.
Oh, but I minimized it and it was still there. Hang on. I need that setter up. Oh, there it is. I can hear it. Where's that coming from? I can hear the radio.
Oh, here.
Where's it?
This one.
Oh, it's like I can hear it coming from somewhere. I can't get into Zeta here, bro. Our Facebook viewers are just going to have to watch because we've got some teching going on in the background. There's a TVC move into an attacking position though. They've got a line out coming. TVC, work it infield, it's been turned over though. City come away with it. Goldsmith going for a run. She's got a winger with it, gets it away now to Tadona down that far side, up towards the 10-metre line. Good breakout here from City. They go back infield, out to Mangu. Mangu, referee's got advantage here against TVC as Tadona going for a run. Tadona up towards the 10-metre line. I think referee's still playing advantage. Sideline goes Atamangu. Back infield, looking for players, looking for support. Players come now, and it's Meremangu chasing her own kick here. Advantage will be over as City work it down into TVC. They've turned the pill over again here. Referee's got advantage to City. They go out to Cartage. She takes the ball, 6 out, back to her feet. Gets the pill, takes it another metre. Mangu again, that's Atamangu. Referee playing advantage here, offside against TVC. This one, 6 out from the line. Goldsmith having a look at her options. They're going to tap and go. I think she wants McMenamin to line up. McMenamin coming, charging at the line. Good defence there from TVC. Penalty there against City. Not TVC go quickly. We'll have a look at the time. How much time have we got? There's only 14 minutes gone in the second half. 14 and a bit. We can get back to just... We've given up on our radio broadcast. Apologies, Whānau. We'll just concentrate on the Facebook one here. So City will get an attacking scrum out of this. They are roughly 15 metres out, just to the left of the posts. This will give them a sniff of a comeback if they can score here. It's there for Goldsmith. Goldsmith brings it out to Mangu at first receiver. Mangu back to Goldsmith. TVC come up with it. They'll have a scrum here. It'll be TVC ball. They're about 15 out, right in front of the post. 15 metres in front of TVC's post. It's a defensive scrum feed here for TVC. Split back line here. Shelford feeds the scrum. They take it off the back through White. White goes across that far side of the field. Goldsmith giving chase. Goldsmith takes it down on the 22. It's still there for TVC though. Throw the dummy, goes the halfback. It's been lost forward here. City come up with it. McMenamin charges it forward towards. Referee, who's got the pill? It's still here for City. Referee's got a penalty though. City, tap and go. They spin it out wide to Tadona. She's taken 5 metres inside the 22. They come wide again. I think this is Mato. City still with the pill here. 10 out from the line. They come infield. They go again to McMenamin. I don't think she was expecting. Halfback. Mangu's in there now. Her sister Harmony wants the pill. She's taken in a good tackle. Ball is ripped off her. It spills out the back for TVC. The kick in. Mangu takes it outside the 22. Back there is Blackby for City. City get the ball. Throws it infield to Goldsmith. Goldsmith comes down this near sideline. At the back there. Back there is Korpu. She picks it up, goes for a run into the middle of the park here. There's heaps of space there. This is Korpu. She's sister with her. Still going up towards the 10-metre line. Now she gets, they lose it. Advantage here for City. It's only a loss, no advantage. I thought that would have been advantage over as they kicked it down the middle of the park there. They'll go back for a scrum. What a great game of rugby. TVC though leading 27-12. How come there's 3? Oh, there's a helicopter coming over the park here. It's a big one too. Scrum down though. City on attack inside TVC territory. What's this? They'll have it again, I think. Helicopter. Oh, we may have had a player injured in the first half, I think. That's why the helicopter's coming in. I think there was a couple of them, I think. Of course, Boyce was might have dislocated her shoulder again. Helicopter coming into land. It'll get a little bit noisy. I'm not sure where it's going to land. Might be over by the marae. Ball in here for Mangu. She's looking for the ball. Comes out now to Goldsmith. Goldsmith puts a little chip in behind. Back there is Kopa. That's Dana Kopa. She brings it out of the 22 up towards the 10-meter line. It's gone backwards, says the referee. Oh, big tackle in there by... might have been Wainohu. They tap and go quickly through Grant. TVC up towards the halfway. Grant standing in the tackle. Gets the pass away. Right on the halfway here. They come back open to Teddy. Teddy out now to Kopa again. Over the halfway. Ball spills out. City come up with it. Fighting forward here is one of the City. It's there. They need a halfback. They got numbers wide here. They just need to spin it. Tadona though. Now out to Mato. Mato can't get the pill away. Does well to hang on to it. She's got Kopa. Goldsmith. Back to Tadona. It's going to get loud and noisy here as McMenamin has a run. They come back. It's been knocked off. To City. Whoa, this thing is landing just down the field here. It's kicking up dust and everything. Oh, they don't usually land on dusty paddocks like that. You can see all the dust coming up in the background. And he's not going to land there. But he's going to make it very difficult for us here at the field. They tap and go to City. They work it up to the 10-meter line. Out to Goldsmith. Out to Mangu now. Mangu throws the pass. Oh, and it's just gone over the sideline. Oh, apologies, Farnham. There's not much in the background. Be a scrum in the middle of the... Sorry, right on the 10-meter line inside TVC territory. I wonder they didn't take it over to the marae. Oh, it might be power lines over there. That's why. Unfortunately, the helicopter's got to land. You hear him shut down though. Oh, we'll worry about it because sort it out next week. We're not going to go live back to the radio. Scrum down here, TVC ball. They're on. How much time to go? Oh. 3 will be sole judge of time. And my press time again as Grant brings it up over the halfway for City. It's Shelford. Does well there. Teddy now. Outside City territory. Back now to Henderson. Henderson up over the 10. Still going. Goes to ground now. Back to Hainger out there now for City. It's there for Mangu again. Wide out to McMenamin. McMenamin hitting a good tackle. Mangu out to Goldsmith. Goldsmith does well to get it away here. They work it down the far side out to Tadona. The line gets back to her feet. Play on, says the referee. It's there for City again. No penalty against TVC. There's a substitution here for City. Mangu is gone. That's Miriam Harmony Mangu, sorry. My Mangu's mixed up. Right. Can hear ourselves think now that that chopper's shut down. Well, until it starts up again. TVC with the line out throw. Referee sole judge of time. Apologies, Fano. I forgot to press time. We were busy. TVC, it's tapped down, stolen there by City though. Out now to McMenamin. McMenamin winding up, takes it to the 10-metre line inside TVC territory. Gets back to her feet again. They come out quickly, the Goldsmith. Goldsmith, they've got numbers here. City's ball, little knock on in there, says the ref though. Off TVC. We're going to see if we can get back on here then. We will just going to see if we can get our... Oh, we're gone. Hang on. While we're waiting here. City take it off through Mangu. Mangu break line. Ata Mangu gonna race away for. Can she get it down here? She does. If we can break back into our radio broadcast. Apologies to our listeners. Ata Mangu there with a great run off the base of that scrum. City 27-15. Once I can sort this out, we're just gonna cut back into the radio, so hopefully we'll get our man checking our radio. We should be coming through loud and clear on the radio as well as our Facebooks. So we'll just get City's score back up again, up to 17 now, 10 points in it with the kick to come. Me to our Kazi in the background. We've got our radio going again. Apologies to our listeners if you've just joined us. That's way over the halfway for the kickoff. Straight into Tadona's hands though. Sorry, one. TVC might have come up with it. No, City still with it in the. No, City TVC pop it out now to the number 4. I think that's Franklin again. TVC, they City come up with it. Comes back to goal. Blackby looks to get the pass away. Just bounces. Oh, that was a high shot there. Teddy. No, they'll go back to the other one. That was a high shot. There's a stop for a player down injured here. She got cramps. Looked a little bit worse than that, but she's just trying to kick her leg out to get the cramp out. As Goldsmith puts it into touch up by the TVC 10-metre line. Hopefully we're coming through loud and clear, Whānau. We have had some mean difficulties here today, technical difficulties. Kazi Rex in the background has been firing away on all cylinders to get us going as that ball comes out to McMenamin off the line out. She winds up back to Mangu. Mangu flies into that tackle. TVC, good tackle though. They need a halfback. They looked offside. Back to Goldsmith. Goldsmith, referee's got an advantage here to City. They go again off the base of the ruck. Referee still playing advantage. I think Mangu with it now. Takes it for a little dab off the base of the ruck. City, they're running out of time here. I think, well, can't. It's only saying 14 minutes on our watch, but referee sole judge of time. I can't even guess. It comes out now to McMenamin off the quick tap. McMenamin skipping tackles, pushing off another couple, takes it into the 22. It's been ripped off her. It's gone forward. No, it's a high tackle advantage, says the referee. Your guess is as good as mine as Mangu goes to Blackby. Blackby to the line. Can she get the pass away into the corner? They go. What's the ref say? No advantage. They'll come back. The defence hold. Was a high shot against TVC. TVC players down in back play. Ref's not going to stop it though. Limping back to get onside. Goldsmith yelling instructions at her team. They're going to tap and go here. 10 out from the line. McMenamin wants it. McMenamin charges at the line. The wall of defence comes to meet her. They're not back 10, says the referee. They go again. Out now to Tadona. It's still there for City. Referee playing advantage. They come again. Out now to Mato. Mato with Blackby. Blackby having a go. Good tackle on her. 4 out from the line. Another pick and go here from City. Getting closer. Another drive at the line. Was that? No, that wasn't Huda. She gets to her feet now. No. Over. It's gone. That's full time here. TVC. They'll take the Women's Championship. They'll take that one. 27 points to ups the City. What an exciting game that was. Aroha mai whānau. Apologies for all of the technical difficulties we've had. We apologise. We try and do our best week in, week out. And speaking of that, that is our last broadcast for the club rugby competition. Congratulations to TVC Wahine. They've taken out the final. That's a history's first, I think. The first time that the men's team and championship winners in the same year. Congratulations again to TVC. Commiserations to City. You have to hold your heads up though, City. That was a great game and very exciting right to the bitter end there. Big mihi to our sponsors, of course, Troy Wheeler Contracting Limited, Te Runanganui o Ngati Porou and McKay Cartage. They've been there since the start of the season. We wouldn't have been able to do this without sponsorship such as theirs. I can't thank our sponsors enough. Once again, to my man on the cam, Scooter Mahuta Morris. If you're wondering how we do it, there's a two-man team out here every weekend. And this is our last one. We get to go fishing and go get to do what we do on a weekend when there's no rugby. Again, thank you to our sponsors. Congratulations to TVC. And what a great game that was. That's our lot, whānau, for 2025. Give us a couple of weeks and we'll be back with the Ngati Porou East Coast Heartland squad. And I believe they, we are still looking for sponsors. So any sponsors out there want to connect our iwi to the Heartlands Championship, get in touch with us.